Also guys, today I am going to be watching the Jatim Park 3. But today we are going to be watching the dinosaur train. Let's get started.
Zaman Permian berlangsung pada 299 hingga 250 juta tahun yang lalu. Pada zaman ini terdapat antropoda, yaitu megaluera atau cabur raksasa, dan juga terdapat hewan darat seperti Ristrosaurus dan Gargonopsia. Zaman Trias.
Okay, now we are in the dinosaurs age. Elves have lived since the dinosaurs.
Zaman ini berlangsung pada 251 hingga 155 juta tahun yang lalu. Pada zaman Triasik terdapat dinosaurus besar seperti Triceratops dan juga terdapat
That's a plesiosaur.
yaitu Elasmosaurus. Zaman kejayaan dinosaurus atau sering dikenal zaman Jurassic berlangsung pada 156 hingga 145 juta tahun yang lalu. Pada zaman ini,
Yeah, that's a pterosaur.
mulai tumbuh lebat.
That's Speckles. That's Speckles.
Jenis Theropoda seperti T-Rex.
That's a Tarbosaurus. It's T-Rex.
Jenis sauropoda,
That's a Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus, dan
And there's also a Stegosaurus. Whoa, this is how the dinosaurs went extinct about 65 million years ago.
berlangsung pada 146 hingga 65 juta tahun yang lalu. Pada akhir zaman ini, mulai terjadi bencana alam, yaitu jatuhnya meteor ke bumi. Jatuhnya meteor ke bumi mengakibatkan dinosaurus secara perlahan mati satu persatu
Yeah,
karena tidak dapat beradaptasi
yeah, they die.
lingkungan. Zaman
That's a mammoth. That's a mammoth.
yaitu
That's a mammoth.
atau yang sering dikenal dengan Ice Age.
Well, I cannot see the mummy. I cannot see the mummy mammoth. That's Smilodon. That's Smilodon. That's Smilodon. Then that's the mammoth.
Pada zaman es menjadi sangat dingin. Pada zaman ini terdapat hewan-hewan jenis baru dengan ciri fisik memiliki rambut tebal pada tubuhnya seperti mamut dan
Okay, now we're on the right to the 5 periods of dinosaurs. This is the Permian period.
beritahukan kepada pengunjung hal yang tidak penting, bersihkan tempat duduk dan mengeluarkan anggota tubuh saat mereka berjalan. Mohon maaf apabila
Okay, now this is a song. Oh, this is a song.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
Look at that. That's a raptor.
First time in a long time I'm alright.
That's the velociraptor.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Yeah, that's a plesiosaur. Wait, where's the plesiosaur? I don't see it. Where's the plesiosaur?
Way back a year ago.
So this is the Jurassic period. Wait, there's a spider. That's Mesophylae. Then that's Arthropora. And that's the Pulmonoscorpius. That's the Pulmonoscorpius. Yeah. Yeah, now we're going to the Ice Age. We're going to the Ice Age.
I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I like this song somehow. But there are birds here.
Gimana teman-teman?
Okay.
Seru banget ya?
Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, leave a heart emoji and like and subscribe. Bye bye.